Hi students, in this screencast I'm going to show you how to do the practice quizzes to submit, see your mark, and to receive the feedback. So I'm going to go down here, and when I see this pencil with a paper and a check and an X, then I know it's the quiz. I can click on the quiz and it will open. As you can see, I have multiple attempts. I have 3 attempts on the practice quizzes. The mark that will be taken is the top mark. So I can press begin and the quiz will load. So now I go through and I'd like to answer the quiz questions. And I can actually open this or close this. I like it opened. I'm going to make sure I save my answers. I can see they're saved right here by the dark color. I'm going to go to the last question and I'm going to press save and submit. It's going to tell me I missed some questions, so I'd like to go back and fix them, but for this example I won't. Now I need to come down here and press OK, and here I can see my mark. So in order to understand what I did wrong, I want to go through and I want to look at my questions and try to figure out where the mistakes were. So as I'm checking for my mistakes and my correct answers, I can see that the text below, and this is to help to guide you to figure out how to get the correct answer and what is the reasoning behind it.